Hello again, welcome to another video from Castle Kingdom. In this one we're going to be making a 4x6 marquee, or rather building a 4x6 marquee. It's just a basic tent, this one. It's just going to be the 4x6 tent with a little bit of carpet, some lighting and also some tables and chairs. Now the weather conditions for this tent were quite good. It was a little bit of wind but not too much, so it was quite straightforward. It was in a communal garden, one that I have done there before, so it was quite easy to do. So as I say, it's just going to be a basic tent, a little bit of carpet. Going to be strapped down on both sides because it is quite an open area, and if the wind blows we don't want it sort of flapping around and moving about. Now it's for 21st, I believe, the customer's son. They have used me before, so they just wanted basically a dance floor inside the tent with some heating, no tables and chairs. So it's just for a 21-year-old and his friends. Okay, let's get to it. For this one we've got 4x6 marquee, which we're going to be setting up. Locked. Which we've got on here. So this one is a 4x6 tent with lights, heating and carpets. We've also got tables and chairs on there, but that's going to another job. But we've loaded them up as we'll be dropping it on hole afterwards. And we're going to be setting it up in here. Now I have done it here before a couple of times, so I do know the layout. It's going to be set up on that grass area over there, just on the other side of that little trampoline. So plenty of room, a little bit of a slope, so hopefully the water will run away. It has been raining all morning, but hopefully it's going to be dry now while I set up. Okay, now this job should take probably about 2 to 3 hours, as I'm on my own, so it'll take a bit longer than if there's 2 of you, but yeah, shouldn't be too bad. Right, we will start getting all the equipment in. Okay, that's it then. That's the 4x6 rather set up. As I say, it is on slightly a bit of a slope, but it's strapped. Got 4 straps on each side, so they're pretty tight. If there's any wind, it would come this way, obviously, as it's open. But 4 straps that side, and again 4 on here, not so tight. Ground is a bit soft, but it should be okay. I don't think there's any high winds forecast. The actual events for tomorrow. Look inside. There's no tables and chairs on this one. Just lights, which we haven't got on at the moment, but we have checked them, they do work. But we're running the cables there through the window, but obviously we're leaving them here tonight because she doesn't want to leave the window open for obvious reasons. Then I'll plug it in the morning and they're good to go. It's the first time I've done this job now here. I've done an 18th, 21st. I don't know what this one is, 22nd, 33rd, something like that. But yeah, so all good to go. No tables and chairs, as I say. They've got heaters, but it's quite mild for November. Not too bad, but obviously it might drop down at night time. Well, in fact, it will do. But yeah, so there you go. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as ever, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.